So I got this clock from a estate sale. It's got some cracks in it. There's one right there. It's obviously got a lot of dust on it. I'm gonna clean this bad boy up. First things first, I'm gonna have to take off this part. Not quite sure. They're weighted. And there is, on the back, this motor. Now that's got electric and all this stuff. I haven't tried any of it out, but I'm just going to make it into a wall piece. So I think I'm just going to remove it all, and then we'll clean up the frame and make it all nice and pretty. So let's get started. So right in here is a set screw. Alright, so here's the motor. I have no idea how old this is. I bought it at an auction. Alright, 1968, that's what it says. So this clock is from 1968, or at least the motor is.
guys, this was a fun project. Taking this old clock that I bought at an auction, upcycling it, and making a little bit of an art piece for my home. Also, this video is sponsored by Mr. William Lutes. He paid it forward and sent me this video camera that I'm taping this on right now. And he's been a great inspiration to me with his channel. It'll be in the link below. And this maker community has just been so inviting, and everyone's so passionate about what they do, and I'm just glad to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like if you can, and we'll see you next time.